Ms. Cassandra Ong. Mr. Chair, Ms. Ong, magandang gabi po. Matanong na po, may we know saan po kayo nakatira ngayon dito sa Pilipinas?
Sa Porac po. Porac, Pampanga.
Sa Porac. Meron po ba kayong resident sa Binondo, Manila?
Noon po.
Noon. Kailan po kayo lumipat sa Porac?
Year 2019?
2019 kayo
Kung hindi
lumipat.
po ako nagkakamali. Sa knowledge ko po, 2019.
Kayo po ba ay, through the chair most respectfully, kayo po ba ay marunong mag-Chinese?
Yes po.
Ito po ay Fukien or Mandarin?
Marunong po both konti.
Both.
Yeah. But not totally fluent.
Read and write po ba?
No.
So, sorry. So, nakakasalita po kayo ng Fukien and Mandarin?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Neither read nor write. So, kahit alin doon, di po niyo kaya.
Yes. Some other word kaya naman po.
Okay. Sige po.
But not totally. All.
Ms. Ong, kayo po ay nauugnay sa ilang mga korporasyon. Kasama po dito yung Whirlwind and Lucky South 99 po. Tama po ba?
Ayun po yung nakita ko sa balita.
I'm sorry?
Ayun po yung nakita ko sa balita. Na ang sabi po ng balita po.
I'm sorry, baka hindi po klaro yung tanong or baka ako po yung nalilito. Are you associated with the corporations Whirlwind and Lucky South 99?
Yes po.
Yes, associate po kayo. At naintindihan po ninyo na your position in these corporations na kung saan naugnay po kayo, sa pagkakaalam po ninyo, ito ba ay na-organize for legitimate purposes?
Yes po.
Sa pagkakaalam niyo. And that all transactions enter by these corporations are all valid and legal. Sa pagkakaalam po ninyo.
Pwede pakiulit po, Mr. Chair?
Okay. I'll repeat na po, no? Baka kaya naman in English.
Salamat.
Ms. Ong, you are associated with a number of corporations, including Whirlwind Corporation and Lucky South 99, to which you have just agreed now po. Is it your position that these corporations with which you are associated were organized for a legitimate purpose? Sabi nyo, opo. And
Yes
as a
po.
caveat po, and that all transactions entered by these corporations are all valid and legal?
Yes po.
Thank you po. So, Ms. Ong, kasama po sa inyong trabaho, nabanggit po ninyo dati na nagsimula po kayo as EA. Tama po ba?
Ayun po yung alam po ng other people, but not, hindi po.
Okay, so that's not where you started. Will you share with us po kung saan po kayo nagsimula?
Pwede po ako mag-refuse to...
Yeah, of course.
To answer,
But I have
sorry.
to ask lang po, can you explain po your refusal? Bakit po kayo nag-refuse na sagutin itong tanong?
For privacy reason po.
Okay, thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
So, you are involved with these corporations. You will not tell us where you started. Pero would you say po na you have assumed a position na marami po kayong hinahandle na applications? Tama po ba ito?
Pwede ko po malaman anong application po yung tinutukoy nyo?
In general, business permits, PAGCOR, SEC applications.
Meron po other, like PAGCOR is this year lang. I'm sorry, way back 2023 po. And 2019 lang po. 19.
Apo. Before I continue, I just want to express my sincere appreciation po na kayo po ay sumasagot sa mga katanungan na ito. I just want you to know po na talagang appreciated po ng representation na ito, and I'm sure by our Quadcom members. So, you have some experience po. May experience po kayo sa pag-apply, processing na application papers. Oh,
Yes po. Sa corporation.
Certain, sa corporations po.
Yeah. Yes.
And would you say po it has become part of your work to be dealing with the application of corporations?
All po.
I'm sorry?
Not all po.
Not all. Pero I mean, sige po. let me rephrase na lang po, no? Since that you've mentioned po, no, that you have dealt with applications of corporations, nag-deal rin po kayo sa applications of other corporations, hindi lang po Whirlwind. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Would you care to share with us what other corporations po you have dealt with for yung mga applications na ito?
Lucky South po. Lucky South 99.
Walang iba po ba?
What kind of papers po? And, I mean, what kind of application po yung tinutukoy natin?
Sige po, let's make it specific lang. Let's say application for incorporation sa SEC.
No.
No, just Whirlwind and Lucky South.
Yes po.
Apo.
Meron pong mga staff for that po.
Okay. Sa PAGCOR naman po, is it just Whirlwind and Lucky South?
Sa PAGCOR is Lucky South only po.
Lucky South only. Thank you. In the case po that you were handling this corporation, siguro po, mali po yung term ko, no? Na kayo po yung nag-handle ng application. Na-involve po ba kayo sa incorporation ng ibang pang mga korporasyon? Kayo po ba ay naging stockholder or officer ng iba pa pong mga korporasyon sa pagkakaalam po ninyo?
You mean, kasama po ba doon yung Whirlwind po?
Aside from Whirlwind, ibang mga korporasyon,
Yes po.
would you recall kung ano pa po itong mga ibang korporasyon na kayo po ay kasama o officer?
Pwede ko na lang isend po sa committee na to after ko i-check po sa record ko.
Okay. That would be
Thank you.
greatly appreciated. Thank you, Ms. Ong po. No? Okay. I'll work specific na lang po on one. Familiar po kayo sa Fujian Sheng Amoy Real Estate?
Can I double check it po?
Do you have records with you po now or do you get
Yung
back
phone
to us
ko po
after?
kasi right now, nasa MBI po, hindi pa po binabalik sa akin. So, I cannot check and hindi ko po
Sige
malagin
po.
lahat ng phone ko dahil other details like email po, nandoon po. So, hindi pa po binabalik ng MBI yung mga phones ko.
Sige po.
Salamat.
So, you'll get back to us at a later time. Yun po.
Once na binalik po
Once
ng
na
MBI yung phone ko,
Okay, thank you. To refresh your memory po, sa Fujian Sheng Amoy, baka po maalala po ninyo, kasama po apologies. Let me direct my question, please, Mr. Chair, respectfully to Ms. Baterna. Ay. Ms. Baterna, naalala po ba ninyo being an incorporator of a certain Fujian Sheng Amoy Corporation?
Hindi po.
You do not recall po.
Hindi po.
Thank you. May we ask, Madam Chair, si Ms. Mascareñas, familiar po ba yung Fujian Sheng Amoy na corporation?
No po.
Not
No,
through the
Your Honor.
papers.
No.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I will now return the question, Madam Chair, to Mr. Chair, to Ms. Ong. Sorry, Ms. Ong. So, sige po, we will leave the questions on the corporation later on, but it will come back to that later on po siguro. Now po that you're more in a mood to cooperate, maybe ask po, kilala niyo po ba si Ms. Baterna?
yes po.
Can you elaborate po kung paano niyo po kilala siya? Paano mo po siya kilala?
Naging staff po siya ng corporation po. Ng company.
Can we know which specific company po yon?
Pwede ko i-double check kasi that time kasi hindi pa po ako hindi ko alam everything po.
Okay po. Sige.
Sa knowledge ko po, naging empleyado po siya, yes po. But which company, can I double check it po?
Sige po. Would you recall na lang po which office yon na naging staff po siya? Which office yung nakasama niyo po siya? Yung physical location? Ito po ba yung PORAC?
Yes po.
Opo. So, just to be clear po, Ms. Ong, yung PORAC po is the same area of operation ng Lucky South 99. Pero hindi pa po klaro kung anong korporasyon kasama po
Yes
si Ms.
po.
Baterna.
I'm gonna make sure lang po kasi
We'll make
under
sure.
oath po ako.
Of course, of course. And that's,
Maraming salamat
that's
po.
perfectly understandable. And Ms. Ong, would you care to clarify or confirm that kilala niyo rin po si Miss Mascareñas?
Na totally kilala, pero nakikita po.
Nakikita.
Yes po.
May we know po kung paano niyo po kilala si Miss Mascareñas?
Nakikita po sa company noon, sa company ng ninong ko po.
Company ng ninong?
Yes po.
Sino po yung ninong niyo po?
Si Mr. Duaran U po.
So si Mr. Duaren Wu is your ninong po.
Yes po.
And ano po yung, would you recall kung anong company po? Sorry, baka naulit na to. Kung anong company po yun with si Miss Mascareñas?
Again, pasensya na po. Can I double check it po? Kasi I cannot recall anymore po.
Of course po, thank you. Miss Mascareñas, through the chair, most respectfully, may we ask you, Miss Mascareñas, if she would recall which corporation she has dealt with Miss Ong?
Dragon World System po.
Dragon One System po. And this is the same corporation, a certain Mr. Duaren Wu
Yes.
was also involved.
Yes po.
Okay po, thank you. Babalik po ako kay Miss Ong. Mr. Chair, may we ask si Miss Ong po if, I'm not sure, point of inquiry first with the committee secretary. Mr. Chair, may we verify if Mr. Cunanan is present here today?
Yes, he is present. Can we ask Mr. Dennis Cunanan to please occupy the chair?
Mr. Chair, most respectfully, kahit, may I just ask si Ms. Ong kung kilala niya po ba yung taong iyon, si Mr. Cunanan? Sir, through the chair, most respectfully, may we ask that the mask be removed? Ayun.
Okay.
So Ms. Ong, Mr. Chair, familiar po ba si Mr. Cunanan sa inyo?
Yes po.
May you clarify po kung paano niyo po siya nakikilala?
Nakilala ko siya through one of the staff of the company.
One of the, I would assume we're not sure po kung alin na company po ito, no? Not yet.
Lucky South.
Through Lucky South. So isang staff po. Would you care to share with us po kung sinong staff po yun nagpakilala sa'yo kay Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Si Shirley po.
Shirley.
I forgot yung English name niya eh.
So Chinese po ba? Chinese
Yes.
po siya.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not sure if Chinese or other nationality po.
Opo. So Ms. Ong, through this Chinese person, si Ms. Shelley, nakilala niyo po si Mr. Dennis Cunanan. Can you confirm po if you have undergone any transactions with Mr. Cunanan? Siya po ay tumulong po ba sa inyo through any application in any agency whatsoever?
Pwede ko i-recall ulit. I'm
Okay,
sorry
of
po,
course.
pasensya na po.
Of course, that's understandable. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Mr. Chair, may I ask si Ms. Ong kung kilala niya po si Mr. De La Serna? Mr. Chair, apologies, may we ask Mr. De La Serna to stand
Yes
up?
po.
Okay, not necessary. Kilala po. Paano po ninyo kilala si Mr. De La Serna, Mr. Chair?
Attorney Harry Roque po.
Through Attorney Harry Roque.
Yes po, sa isang dinner na meron po akong meeting with Attorney Harry Roque that time. Tapos po, tinanong lang naman po ako kung pwede mag-join yung dati niyang tao po. So, syempre, wala naman pong so I said yes po.
Thank you. At Ms. Ong, Mr. Chair, yung dinner na po yan, at least between you and Mr. Roque, business concern po yon.
Regarding po sa case po, sa company po namin.
Would it be correct to assume ito yung kaso po ng Whirlwind
Yeah.
sa ejectment? Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Okay, thank you. And just to be clear, wala pong kinalaman, according to you, si Mr. De La Serna. Invited guest lang po siya.
Yes po.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, so paano niyo po, you've already confirmed this actually, si Mr. Duanren Wu. Siya po ay inyong ninong from baptism, tama po ba? I would
Sorry?
assume. From ninong niyo po sa binyag?
Wala pong binyag kasi sa Chinese. So, my mother is a Chinese po. So, wala siyang binyag sa Chinese. So, no record po at all. But, si Mr. U, let's call him Mr. U or my ninong, best friend siya ng mom ko.
Best friend ng mom niyo?
Yes po.
Sorry, hindi po kasi kami, ako, hindi po ako familiar sa culture po ng Chinese. Ano po bang ibig sabihin nun pag ninong po nyo na walang baptism? Is this just a symbolism na close po yung mom nyo and si Mr. Wu? Or,
Kinuha po siyang, I think kinuha po siya ng mom ko as my ninong. Ninong talaga
ninong,
po.
so
Yeah,
baptism.
Yeah. Wala po sa ano.
Okay. Walang records lang po.
Yes po.
Oh, okay. Sige po. Given that, Mr. Chair, would it refresh you po if we showed you some documents po siguro ng corporations? Mr. Chair, may we ask the COMSEC to assist us in perhaps showing her these documents? I will be presenting po the GIS of Fujian Cheng Amoy Real Estate Corporation.
Comsec, a page. Can you please get the document and show it to Miss Cassie Ong?
May please confirm po.
Habang hinihintayin natin yan.
Specifically itong page na to.
Matagal mo na bang kakilala si Mr. Dennis Cunanan? Miss Cassie Ong? Matagal mo na bang kakilala si Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Parang kakilala lang po.
So, siya ba ay empleyado ng iyong kumpanya?
Pwede.
I think kinuha siya ni Shelly.
Shelly. Who is Shelly?
I forgot his English name po eh.
So he's one of the owners.
No?
Si Shelly.
No.
So ano siya? Anong role niya dyan sa kumpanya niyo?
Manager po.
Manager.
Yes
so
po.
kinuha ni Shelly si Mr. Cunanan.
Kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, yes po. Pero hindi po ako sigurado.
Okay.
Opo.
So, pero ikaw ba, nakakausap mo ba siya? Personal, nagkakausap ba kayo?
Sobrang dalang lang po.
Sobrang dalang.
As in super dalang lang po.
So, wala bang nagkaroon ba ng pagkakataon na ikaw ay merong ibinigay na pera kay Mr. Cunanan?
Pwede pong hindi ko muna sagutin.
Okay, sige,
For privacy, I'm sorry.
Sige.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you. Page, please show the document, COMSEC.
May I advise her on the legal documents?
Yeah. Okay lang po. Maraming salamat po.
Ito yung document po dyan.
Please give it back to... please proceed with your question.
Mr. Chair, the purpose of which that I've provided that document was perhaps to refresh the memory of Ms. Ong. Ms. Ong mentioned earlier that she would prefer to have the documentary evidence be refreshed via her email or phone, but I figured that perhaps by providing the GIS and AOI, which we can certify at a later time, perhaps she would be refreshed. So I think it's sufficient that she has had the time to peruse the documents. I mean, may oras na po kayong may examine po yung documents?
Pwede ko po, gusto ko po kasi sigurado po ako sa lahat ng sasagutin ko dito. Kaya still update.
Understandable. Mr. Chair, but just to clarify, with after seeing the documents po, hindi pa rin po familiar yung Fujian Sheng Amoy? Mr. Chair, just to clarify, hindi rin naman problema po, no? Kung hindi po siya familiar, okay lang rin po. Just wanted to clarify. As of now,
Gusto ko po lang siguraduhin muna po yung opo.
kahit konting familiarity, wala pong indication. Based on the fellow incorporators, given na kasama po yung ninong ninyo dyan, hindi po.
Possible familiar, pero again, hindi ko po sigurado ko, kaya ayoko po sumagot.
Of course, understandable.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, may we ask, most respectfully, the COMSEC to share the documents with Ms. Baterna?
Comsec?
Mr. Chair, siguro po may oras na rin po si Ms. Baterna nakakita po ng document. May we ask po, Ms. Baterna, familiar po ba yung document sa inyo?
Hindi po talaga, Mr. Chair.
Di po talaga.
Hindi po.
Pero nakita po na yung pangalan po ninyo ay naisama po dyan as incorporator.
Opo.
Tama. Pero not familiar, even given na magkasama po kayo dyan ni Ms. Ong and ni Ms. Duan Renru?
Hindi po talaga.
Okay, salamat po. Thank you, Mr. Chair. The documents would be, that would suffice po. Thank you, COMSEC. So, Mr. Chair, I would like to return my questioning po kay Ms. Ong. Yeah, Mr. Chair, I'd like to direct my questions to Ms. Ong. Ms. Ong, salamat po for confirming at least, no, after seeing the documents. May we ask, Mr. Chair, is Ms. Ong familiar po ba kayo kay Mr. Xiang Ji?
Pwede pakiulit po yung name?
Siguro hindi po tama yung aking pronunciation, pero it's spelled as Z-H-I-A-N-G space J-E. Xiang Ji?
Write it. Here.
Oh, thanks, boss. Oh, shit, your name. Confidential. Affidavit.
Hello?
Mr. Chair, may I ask for a moment to just, baka better I'll just produce the documents for Ms. Ong so that she may familiarize herself.
Okay. While waiting for the next question to be asked by Congressman Rog Gutierrez, mayroon akong isang tanong kay Miss Mascareñas. Miss Mascareñas,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
isa ka ba sa mga incorporators ng Lucky South 99? Nung ito'y nirehistro?
Sa pagkakaalam ko po, nung nag-apply ng SEC, isa po ako sa incorporators.
Isa ka doon sa ano?
Opo. Pero
May pin-
nung SEC pa lang po yata yung na-apply, if I'm not mistaken.
So, hanggang ngayon ba, ikaw ay isa ka pa rin incorporator dyan sa Lucky South?
Sa totoo lang, Mr. Chair, hindi ko rin nga alam.
So,
Kasi
hindi mo
po, 2019, ang alam ko, lumabas yung SEC, pero as far as I know, hindi po siya na tuloy yung pag-apply niya ng mga permits or yung ano, kasi nga, malis na ako. So, alam ko, totally tanggal na ako kasi yung sa Whirlwind, nag-transfer na kami ng shares para wala na akong connection sa company at that time na ano, tatanggalin na po ako. So, nagtataka din po ako bakit nandito ako ngayon. Kasi ang alam ko, wala na dapat akong connection sa kanila. And nalaman ko lang po, siguro a few years ago or late na, yung pangalan ko nagagamit pa rin sa Smart kasi may resibo na nare-receive dati si mama ko. So, hindi ko siya pinansin until such time po na nagkaroon na po ng issue na ganito.
No.
Pero hindi ko po alam yung details, Mr. Chair.
Yung bang sila Mr. Yung tatlong incorporators, kilala mo?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Never ko silang na-meet before.
Hindi, because base sa records na hawak natin, sila ay incorporators din nung Lucky South 99. Tama, Mr. Linsangan?
Mr. Chair, hindi po kami yung incorporator doon sa paper ngayon na nilagay nila yung pangalan namin. Kami po ay ginawa nila kaming stockholder and officers po.
Hindi, yan ang iyong depensa. Dahil sabi mo, identity theft, di ba? Yun ang sinasabi mo nung una dito sa committee ito.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
But base dun sa records at sa dokumentong hawak namin, at kanina tinanong ni Chairman Dan Fernandez na hindi ka lang incorporator, officer ka pa bilang presidente nitong kumpanyang ito. So alam mo ba kung ano yung operation niyang kumpanyang yan?
No, Your Honor. Victim lang po talaga kami ng identity theft dito, Your Honor. And actually, Your Honor, lahat po ng pirma dun sa nakuha namin document is forged po and falsified po.
So lahat falsified yung mga dokumento nyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
So halimbawa, merong isang membro nitong committee ito, sabihin na kayo ba ay willing pumirma ng waiver para ipakita inyong bank account, bank records, nang sa ganun ay mapatunayan kung meron bang transmittal ng pera mula sa isang kumpanya papunta sa inyo. Pipirma ba kayo?
Your Honor, pwede naman po namin pakita yung statement of account namin, Your Honor, with this committee, Your Honor.
Yung history,
Yes, Your Honor. Pwede po namin ipakita.
pwede nyo ipakita.
Opo.
Hindi ba mas maganda na magwi-waiver kayo para lahat ng transaksyon nyo mula nang inopen nyo yung account ninyo hanggang sa ngayong gabi, pwede pa nating makita.
Your Honor, kasi yung account ko is joint account po with my wife po.
Well, hindi naman na dahil ano lang naman makakita tayo lang lahat dito sa room na to. So, kailangan nating makumbinsi kayo na kayo ay pumirma ng waiver nang sa ganon ma-check natin yung records ng yung bank transaction nyo. Gagaya nung pinirmahan ni Miss Baterna. Siya ay di ba Miss Baterna, pumirma ka ng waiver. No. So kayong tatlo ni Mr. Ong at saka si Mr. Ong and Mr. Chan and Mr. Linsangan. Are you willing to sign a waiver?
At this point, Your Honor, no, Your Honor, but we can submit all the statement of account, Your Honor.
Okay. So, in other words, sa ngayon, ayaw nyo. Madaling kumuha ng bank statement di ba?
Yes,
Yung
Your
bang kailan ka nag-open ng account? Halimbawa, nag-open ka 2010. Pwede bang makapagbigay ka ng bank statement mula 2010 hanggang ngayong gabi? Hanggang ngayong araw?
Tanong ko po sa bangko kung kuan po. Kausapin ko po yung bangko.
Sige. Yun lang. Gusto lamang namin malaman kung willing ka mag-pirma ng waiver. Dahil sa ngayon, ang iyong depensa, identity theft. At base sa dokumentong hawak namin, ito ay hindi ka panipaniwala. Kaya yan ang... Kaya ka namin sinasabihan na the only way for us to be convinced dahil walang pumasok na pera sa inyo. Dahil gaya ng sinabi nyo nung unang beses kayo humarap dito, si Mr. Ong ay empleyado, si Mr. Chan ay empleyado rin, at ikaw din, sabi mo, empleyado.
Yes, Your Honor, and may mga side hustle po, Your Honor.
Assuming meron ka mga side hustle, yung kaninang sinabi ni Chairman Dan, may 16 million kan transaksyon.
Yes, Your Honor, yun po yung pinagbentahan ng property ng sa Puting Kahoy, Your Honor.
Ikaw may-ari ng property?
No, Your Honor, representative lang po, Your Honor.
Bakit nasa iyo yung pera?
Ako po yung representative, Your Honor.
Ano yun? Commission mo? O ano?
Tinransfer po yun, lahat yun sa may-ari, Your Honor.
So, yung may-ari, sino may-ari ng lupa?
Hindi ko po matandaan, Your Honor. Babalikan ko po yung documents, Your Honor.
Meron pumasok sa account mo na 16 million pesos.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang sabi mo ay hindi sa'yo. Dahil
Yes, Your
ikaw ay representative lang ng may-ari ng lupa. Di
Yes,
ba?
Your Honor.
Tinatanong kita, sino may-ari ng lupa?
Hindi ko po dadaling ko po yung deed of sale, Your Honor.
O sige. Anyway, hiningi naman kanina ni Chairman Dan yung deed of sale nitong lupang sinasabi mong nabenta nyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. Pagbibigyan ka namin dyan. Congressman Rog, please proceed with your question.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, just for refresher of the committee, documents regarding the application of POGO for Lucky South 99 outsourcing submitted October 1, 2020 were submitted to Ms. Ong for her perusal. And I believe she's had the appropriate amount of time to go through it. Ngayon po, Ms. Ong, through the Chair, most honorable, nakita po ninyo yung documents po, no? At nakita niyo po yung portion nung tungkol dun kay Mr. Xiang Che.
Yes po.
Familiar po ba si Mr. Je sa'yo?
Empleyado po siya ng company.
Empleyado po siya ng company. Wala po ba siyang position sa the company being Lucky South 99 po, no?
Dati po siyang shareholder, pero noon po.
Sorry, can we...
Dati po.
dating
Shareholder ng Lucky
shareholder.
South.
Dating shareholder.
Yes po.
Was he at any time po, sa pagkakaalam po ninyo, president of Lucky South 99?
Double check ko po ulit. Pasensya na po talaga.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. And just to clarify po, no, since na kataon po kayo, you had the opportunity to go through the documents. A few pages back, yung specimen signature card. Signature nyo po yung nakalagay po dito. Mr. Chair, through the chair, I'd like to provide the signature, the specimen signature card for the perusal of Ms. Ong.
Page, can you please... Congressman Gutierrez, I think she's ready.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ko po sure, pero again, gusto ko sana ma-check yung phone ko, yung lahat ng documents na na-sign ko or ano. Kaso po may problema, yung phone ko, since nahuli po ako sa Batam, Indonesia, until ngayon, hindi pa po binabalik ang cellphone ko. So, hindi ko ma-sure yung lahat ng details.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. For the record po, Mr. Chair, I'd just like to share that the document that was presented was the specimen signature card portion of the application kit of the POGO for Lucky South 99 outsourcing. And in that page, it was indicated that the representative for Lucky South 99 would be facilitated by Mr. Dennis Cunanan, and it was approved by supposedly Ms. Cassie Ong. It should also be important to note, Mr. Chair, that along with that, in the other portions of the document, Mr. Xiang Ji has been indicated as president. And Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask si Ms. Ong po, sa pagkakaalam po ninyo, ano po yung nationality ni Mr. Xiang Ji?
Singaporean.
Singaporean. But is he of Chinese descent or may Chinese po ba siya? Ang kanyang panalita po ba ay Mandarin or
Pag Singaporean po, nakakapagsalita po ng Chinese.
Singapore Chinese?
Opo.
Just to clarify po, no, kasi meron ring Singaporean na Malaysian, may Singaporean rin na Indian, pero
Okay, sorry.
so Chinese-Singaporean po siya, and he speaks Chinese. Kayo po pa, when you are talking to, you've had the opportunity to talk with Mr. Xiang Che?
Madalang lang po.
Madalang. And in those, sa mga panahon po na yun, ang pag-ugnayan po ninyo ay in Chinese or in English?
Both.
Both naman po. Thank you. Mr. Chair, in addition to that, also in the document, it indicates other names for which I would like to present po siguro sa COMSEC for later verification if they have been invited. But I will make the motion at a later time. Mr. Chair, going back po, no? In the case of Mr. Doon po sa inyong ninong, si Mr. Duan Ren Wu, sa pagkakalam po ninyo, ano po yung nationality ni Mr. Wu?
Pwede pong hindi po mag-ano
Understand
kasi
po.
hindi po siya ano.
Not familiar.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Pero sa inyong pag-coordinate, pakipag-usap kay Mr. Wu, kay Ninong po nyo, ito po ay in Filipino, English, Chinese?
Chinese po.
Chinese po.
Yes po.
Nakakasalita po ba si Mr. Wu ng Filipino?
English.
English. English and
Pero
Chinese.
not fluent.
Not fluent. And is it correct to say, it was mentioned earlier, na kayo po ay translator ni Mr. Wu actually?
Naging translator
Naging
po way back. Nagpatulong po sa way back 2019 po. After my mom passed away.
May we know po siguro, I'm sorry to hear that. May we know po siguro kung what business he would ask for your help in translating? Ano po ba usually? Very general lang po ba siya or may business related?
Pwede hindi ko po, ano. But again, it's all privacy.
Okay. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I'd just like to go back now, a step back. You mentioned po no, that you've known personally si Mr. Harry Roque. And this is through a professional relationship as abogado po ng Whirlwind.
Tama po.
Apo.
Abogado po ng Wordwin.
Aware po ba si Ms. Ong with the fact that when the PORAC raid was conducted, there were documents that were found relating to Mr. Roque? Familiar po ba siya sa facts na yun?
Nakita ko po siya sa news.
Sa
Opo.
news lang po.
Pero hindi ako familiar with all the documents na lumabas po.
In her experience po, in the filing of the documents of Lucky South 99, in her time as an employee of Lucky South 99, kayo po, did you ever come across sa pangalan ni Mr. Harry Roque sa documentation?
Pwede pakiulit po.
In your time po as employee of Lucky South 99, did you ever come across the name Harry Roque in any documentation relating to corporate papers?
No.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, this representation actually has questions for Mr. Harry Roque. We lament the fact that unfortunately he has indicated that he is busy today and that I will have to reserve my questions for that latter time. With that, Mr. Chair, I have one more question and I would like to direct it to the chairman of the PAGCOR. Most respectfully, Mr. Chair, may we ask Chairman Tenko, just for an idea po, no, kasi nabanggit ni Chairman Fernandez yung scope actually. It really underscores yung importance itong hearing na meron pa rin possibly may mga namamatay pa rin sa Region 3 regarding Pogo. Can the good chairman clarify, is it only in Region 3 po na meron tayong Pogo?
Sa ngayon po, Congressman Gutierrez, wala pong ibang probinsya na merong existing licensee ang PAGCOR except in Cavite. But in other regions, wala na po. Metro Manila po ang nakararami sa ngayon.
So that's Region 3, Metro Manila, and then Cavite. Tama po ba?
Opo, Region 4, yes.
In Region 4. Mr. Chair, through you, may we ask also, perhaps, may PAGCOR provide this committee a list of all the licensees for Pogo, just so
Yes.
that we have an understanding also of the scope of which we're having an investigation here? Because
We will provide you the present list of the licensees. That is the current list of licensees. We have 42 as of today.
thank you, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Gutierrez.
And in
42.
addition to that, as part of your monitoring, maybe also ask, although I know you've mentioned prior that it might have been beyond your mandate, but as far as the PAGCOR would be able to help us, may we ask also for a list of the unlicensed Pogo operations that they have monitored, just for our perusal?
Yes. What we can give you, what we can provide Congressman Gutierrez will be the list of the former licensees when I was appointed, so that was about 298. And then when we cleaned it up and purged it, we have 42. So we're of the assumption that about 255 are basically, if they are operating, they're operating illegally. Because we never, under my administration, we never issued a new license. So yung pong out of 298, we were able to purge about 255. So 42 po ngayon ang natitira.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So from the 42 na natitira, originally from 298, may we request, Mr. Chair, specifically for the names ng 298 na POGO operations na yan?
We will provide the list to the committee, Congressman Gutierrez.
Mr. Chair, at the top of your head, would it be possible to, would you have the records? Would it be possible to enumerate it now?
Yung 200 po?
Yes po.
I'll be very honest. I don't think I could. But again, Lucky South was one of them. Ano ba bang mga names natin? Diba? Sa baba.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to retract that po. No? I understand 298 might be hard and it's hard to tell which one's top of your
We'll
head.
just provide you,
Yes.
by tomorrow, we can send it already.
Yes, we'll be looking for that, Mr. Chair. And we would assume po that list would include the owners of the, would include the beneficial ownership relating to the POGO documents that they may have submitted.
We will do that.
Thank you very much,
Congressman
Mr. Chair.
Gutierrez.
Thank you to Chairman Tenko.
You're
And
welcome.
as a conclusion, Mr. Chair, as I mentioned, I have further questions sana po for Mr. Jaime Roque and Ms. Myla Roque. But given the, as mentioned by Congresswoman Luistro, we lament the fact that they're absent now. I'll be reserving my questions for that. I would just like to highlight, however, from the last hearing, Mr. Jaime Roque mentioned that at that time he was ready to submit documents relating to the deed of sale, which the committee secretary just intimated to me earlier that hindi po ito na-submit. I recall specifically, Mr. Hierarchy said, I am ready to prepare. I have a presentation. Nandito na po yung deed of sale. I'm ready to share it with the committee. Yet, it was not submitted to us, Mr. Chair. So I joined, I think there was a motion or manifestation by Congresswoman Jake Luistro to request to subpoena the document for the deed of sale. And aside from that, other documents such as the SALIN that he mentioned. With that, Mr. Chair, as mentioned, I'll be reserving my questions. I'd like to give way to other interpellators. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Thank you for your indulgence, Ms. Ong.
Thank you, Congressman Rodriguez. Yes,
Mr. Chair.
Chairman
No,
Tenko.
with the request po of Congressman Gutierrez, with regard to the original licensees, on file we do not have the beneficial owners. So we will be able to give you the list, maybe in the application forms indicating the respective officers, but there is no list on the beneficial owners. However, after we had purged the original 298 and had brought it down to currently 42, we will be able to provide you the beneficial owners because as a requirement under the new structure and the new guidelines under my administration, we required the current licensees to provide the beneficial owners of the company. I just want to clarify that so that when we submit, you will not ask why we are not submitting the names of the beneficial owners. So doon po sa nakarang administrasyon, it was never a requirement to identify the beneficial owner.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to just manifest that we acknowledge that and we thank Chairman Tenko and we appreciate the proactive stance that this administration has taken towards transparency of POGO operators. Thank you very much, Chairman Tenko. Thank you, Chairman.
You're welcome, Congressman.
Thank you, Congressman Rodriguez. The next to interpellate is Congressman Abante and then Congressman Paduano. And then we will proceed to our second round with Congressman Dan Fernandez. Congressman Abante, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ito po kay Ms. Cassie Ong, paano po kayo nakalabas ng Pilipinas?
Sa Manila po, airport.
Sa airport. Hindi nyo kasabay si Sheila Goo.
Hindi po.
Saan kayo nakita?
Sa Malaysia po.
Sa Malaysia na. Oo.
Yes po.
Okay. Napunta kayo sa Bali, Indonesia?
Maybe hindi po ako.
Opo. Napunta ho kayo sa Bali, Indonesia ni Sheila Goo? Hindi ho?
Batam,
Alice?
Indonesia.
Batak, Indonesia.
Batam, yes.
Batam, Indonesia. Napunta kayo ng Singapore.
Opo.
Sinong kasama niyo sa Singapore?
Si Wesley Go, Alice Go, and Sheila Go.
Paano niyo po nakilala ang mga Go?
Boyfriend ko po si Wesley Go.
Boyfriend niyo si Wesley Go.
Yes
Oo.
po.
Therefore, malapit ka kay Alice Go.
Hindi po.
Hindi ka malapit, pero kilala mo siya.
Kakilala, syempre.
Kilala mo siya.
Sister po siya ni Wesley Go.
At business partner mo sa Alice Go.
No.
Hindi. Pero pareho kayong na mayroong Pogo Hub, di ba?
Hindi po.
Wala kang Pogo Hub.
Yung business po namin is nag-rent lang para sa mga
Ano po yung business niyo?
building, real estate lang po.
Real estate lang.
Yes po.
So, hindi
I'm
Pogo.
not related to any Pogo po.
Hindi kayo. Pero magkaibigan kayo ni Alice Go.
Kakilala po.
Kilala. Hindi. Kasama mo siya, di ba?
Yes po, dahil kay Wesley Go.
Mo Singapore, di ba?
Sorry?
Kanino kayo nakipagkita sa Singapore? Kay Chiang Mai? Chiang Mai, yung kanina, yung sinasabi si Chiang Mai na Singaporean, nakita ba kayo?
Nagpatulong po ako sa Batam, Indonesia kay Zhang Jie. Zhang Jie.
Yun po yata yung binabangkit kanina ni Congressman Gutierrez, di ba?
Yes
Yung
po.
Yun, oo. Nagpatulong ka at kayo ay ang nag-arrange ng hotel ninyo sa Singapore si Shanghai.
Ay, pwede ko po i-explain?
Sige po,
Okay
explain
lang po. Si Zhang Jie, humingi lang po ako ng tulong during nung pumunta si Wesley Go sa Indonesia po. Dahil po, he's not familiar with the place po. So, syempre, nag-alala din po ako. So, nagpatulong po ako sa dati kay Zhang Jie po. Kasi mas familiar siya doon sa place na yun.
Okay. Si Sheila Go ay nabanggit sa Senado na sumakay ng bangka, di ba?
Ayun yung pagkasabi na po,
Yung
pero...
pagkasabi, di ba? Oo. Hindi ka naniniwala ron?
Hindi, wala po ako. Hindi ko nanood yung news eh.
So, hindi mo pinapaniwalaan na si...
Wala po akong sinasabing hindi ko po pinapaniwalaan.
Okay. So, ano...
Pero hindi ko po alam.
hindi mo alam.
Yes po.
Okay.
Kasi,
So,
can I explain?
Yes, go ahead.
During, I think, July po, July po, nag-message lang si Wesley Go na pupunta siya sa Malaysia. At that time, pinuntahan po namin siya.
So, doon na lang kayo nakita sa Batam, Indonesia?
No, Malaysia po.
Sa Malaysia kayo nakita?
Yes po.
Then, magkasama kayo, nagpunta kayo sa Batam, Indonesia?
Nauna po si Wesley Go.
Okay. Pagkatapos niyan, nagpunta kayo ng Singapore.
Hindi po.
Ano po yun?
Malaysia.
From Philippines,
From
Malaysia.
not Philippine po.
Mula sa Pilipinas. Mula sa Pilipinas, di ba? Sumakay ka ng aeroplano mula sa Pilipinas, correct?
Yes po.
Napunta ka ng Malaysia.
Hindi po. Sa other place po ako pumunta. Can I not disclose the place po?
Saan kayo nagkita?
Sa Malaysia po.
Ni Sheila, sa Malaysia.
Sa Malaysia po with the Go siblings.
Kasama si Wesley.
Yes po. Kasi si Wesley po ang nag-message sa akin.
Tapos nagpunta kayo sa Indonesia.
Nagpunta po kami from Malaysia. Pumunta po kami sa Singapore.
Singapore.
Yes po.
Kasama si Alice Go.
Opo.
Okay. Nung napunta kayo sa Singapore, ano ba yon? Yung ba ay pleasure o business? Hindi nyo pinag-usapan?
Travel lang po.
Hindi nyo pinag-usapan ng negosyo sa Singapore ni...
Wala po kami
Alice Go?
negosyo.
Wala.
Po akong negosyo or yung side ko with the Go family.
Pero kasama ka sa mga korporasyon tulad ng Wilwin, di ba?
Yes po, pero hindi po kasama si Alice Go doon.
Negosyo yun, di ba?
Opo.
Yung real estate na yan, yun ang pinaglagyan ng Lucky South 99, correct?
Yes po.
So alam mo ang ibig sabihin nun, yung Lucky South 99 Pogo yun, di ba?
Si Lucky South 99, pinarenta nilang po sa Sublease po.
So, hindi ka kasama sa Lucky South 99 na incorporator o sanayin mo kanina, consultant ka, correct?
Yes po.
O therefore, nasa Pogo business ka rin sapat consultant ka ng Lucky South
Rental
99.
business po, not
Ano
Pogo
yun?
business po.
Alin yun?
Rental business po, not Pogo business. Real estate po.
Pero alam mo na yung rental na yan, Pogo ang nagre-rent yan.
Yes po,
O, di
legal
kasama-
Pogo.
o, di kasama ka din doon, di ba? O ito. Ano ang passport mo aside from Philippine passport?
Wala na po.
Philippine passport lang. Oo.
Tama po.
Sasasayin mo sa akin na hindi ka kasama sa Lucky South 99, pero alam mo na na-raid ang Lucky South 99, correct?
Opo, kasi sa amin po yung building and yeah. Sa Wordwin po.
Yung building.
Yung lot, as of now, nakapending pa po sa court, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali. Yung building is sa Wordwin po, hindi po siya Lucky South.
Yung building, yung place of business ng Whirlwind, sa Thai Court, Pulong, Maba, Santa Cruz, Porac, Pampanga, correct?
Tama po.
Doon din ang address ng Lucky South 99, correct?
Tama po, kasi doon, can I explain po?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Salamat po. Dahil nga po, si Wordwin, pinarentahan kay Lucky South. Then si Lucky South, pinarentahan lang sa mga Pogo
Kasama
company.
ka sa incorporator ng Whirlwind, correct?
Yes po.
Therefore, alam mo na pinarental ng Whirlwind yung property ng Whirlwind na kasama ka na incorporator sa Lucky
Opo,
South 99,
pero wala
correct?
po akong any relationship with the Pogo.
Okay. Kilala mo si Mr. Wu.
Ninong ko po siya.
Siyang ninong mo.
Opo.
Hindi siya Pilipino, no?
Opo.
Okay. Palagay ko, inimbitahan natin siya rito para makaharap din natin siya. Di ba? Sabi ni Miss Mascareñas, nung last na hearing natin, si Mr. Wu ang boss mo, correct? Miss Mascareñas, nabanggit mo na si Mr. Wu ang boss mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Wu ang boss mo?
Opo.
So, hindi si Miss Cassie Wong ang boss mo?
Ay, hindi po.
Ha?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair, hindi po.
Ang nakikipag-negotiate sa'yo, si Mr. Wu, hindi
Mr. Wu
si
po.
Miss Cassie Ong.
Hindi po.
Okay. Bakit mo nabanggit si Miss Cassie Ong?
Dahil kasama ko po siya sa office.
Kasama mo sa office ng ng Whirlwind o ng Lucky South?
Dragon Wealth System po, doon po kami nag-office.
Saan?
Dragon Wealth System po.
Ano
Sa
yun?
may
Yung by
Prince
Whirlwind o Lucky South?
At the time po kasi mga permits pa lang po yung ina-apply ng Whirlwind at saka Lucky South. Wala pa po siyang office talaga.
Ang alin?
Yung Whirlwind and Lucky South po, at that time wala pa pong office. Mga
So, yung
permits pa lang
office
po.
na yan, office ng Whirlwind at Lucky South.
Parang hindi naman po. Sa Dragon Wealth po talaga siya.
Alin yun?
Dragon Wealth System po.
Dragon Wealth.
Opo.
Yung Dragon Wealth, ano yun? Yung by Lucky South o Whirlwind?
Separate po siya, Pogo.
Pogo yung
Opo.
Dragon Wealth.
Yes po.
At
Actually,
doon, kasama mo sa opisina si Miss Cassie Ong.
Opo.
Doon sa Dragon Wealth.
Opo, dahil hired po siya
At
kay...
ang Dragon Wealth, Pogo.
Yes po. Nalaman ko
Okay.
po yun nung nag-check ako ng list ng Pogo sa site po ng Pagcor.
Alright.
At that
Maganda.
time.
Maganda po. Maraming salamat. Kanina, nabanggit ni Congressman Rodriguez, Gutierrez. Miss Paterna, na wala kang kaalam-alam sa Fujian Sheng Amoy Real Estate Corporation. Wala kang alam.
Wala po.
Pero ikaw ang chairman and president. Hindi mo
Ngayon-
alam.
Hindi po.
Ito,
Ngayon
Meron
ko lang
akong
po siya nakita,
na
Mr.
general
Chair.
information sheet nakalagay dito. Ronilyn Baterna, Chairman and President. Catherine Cassandra Ong, Director, Treasurer, Secretary. Duan Ren Wu, yung boyfriend mo. So, kaninong boyfriend daw si Wan Din Wu? Kaninong boyfriend? Hindi. Ninong mo pala. Ninong mo, Miss Cassie Ong. Si Wu.
Yes po.
Oh, siya ay director din, no? Si Xu Xiu. Sino yung Su Xiu Xiang na director? Sino yun? Si Su Xiu Zhang. Miss Ong. Sino? Hindi mo kilala?
I'm not sure po.
You're not sure. Ikaw, Miss Paterna, kilala mo hindi?
Hindi po. Mr.
Kayo
Chair.
po ang apat na director and officers of Fujian Sheng Amoy Real Estate Corporation. Yun lang,